Hi, I'm Sam and I'm from Year 1 in Actuarial Science from the School of Mathematical and Computer Sciences. When I first received my foundation results back in August, I took a look at them and thought that computing might be the subject that I'd have a shot at for top student. So I was kinda expecting computing to be my subject when I received the email for top student by subject. But what I didn't expect was getting top student for economics as well, and let alone top student for FIB. And it really surprised me, and I could feel my heart tighten with joy and nervousness. And it was even better when I found out that my housemate, Lim Shan Rui, also got top student for FIS. Shout out and congratulations to you, Rui. Although the level of difficulty of actuarial science is incomparable to foundation levels, my foundations here have really helped prepare me for my degree. They covered most of the basics of what I'm studying now in Year 1, so I can catch up pretty quickly without much difficulty. And it also helps that I'm already used to our university's facilities and online applications that we use such as Canvas and Teams, making it easy for me to navigate around right from the get-go. I choose Heriot-Watt University mainly because it has maximum exemptions for the IFOA papers for actuarial science, and they'll give me a boost in my career plans. Furthermore, it's one of the most reputable universities in Malaysia for its actuarial science course, which will help meet employer standards. Overall, I really like this university. It's a really nice and chill place. And although its student body isn't as big as other unis, most students know each other and I find it really wholesome. It's like one big family. I also enjoy their academic-based facilities as they provide adequate study rooms and spaces with plugs for students to enjoy. My impact statement is, I am a simplifier. My purpose is to uncover patterns and pathways, breaking challenges down into structured, elegant solutions. I endeavor to guide myself and others towards understanding, crafting rational and efficient solutions that turn complexity into meaningful impact.